Hi, everybody. I'm going to go over the notes for today's lesson. So today's lesson was all about minor and major arcs. Minor arcs are usually labeled with two letters, say D and E, and they're always less than 180. Major arcs would be D, F, E. They're usually labeled three letters, and I like those too because if you remember, greater than 180, that is a major arc. We also have semicircles. Semicircles are interesting, and I also gave out points for this. Semicircles are always equal to what? 180. Wow, that was loud. We're moving on. So a central angle always breaks into two arcs. The measure of the arcs is equal to the central angle. So AC is always equal to this angle right here. Now I'm going to turn it over.
What am I doing? All right. What's going on, players? We're looking at number. Wait, can I draw? Oh, okay. We're looking at number 20 right here. We're trying to find the angle ZXV, and you're looking around. You're saying, "Whoa, how are we gonna do that?" But it turns out it's equal to angle YXW because they're vertical angles. You set them equal to each other. Do a little of this, do a little of that. You find out that x equals 25. Plug it in, and bam, there you go. We'll talk to you later, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, and don't forget to smile more.